Hey friends, I get the question all the time. Can the Kangen Water machine be installed on top of the counter or underneath the counter in an installation which is customized? And I'm happy to say, yes you can. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to my favorite installation and give you some tips and tricks of how to install and how to maintain your Kangen Water machines long into the future. So stay tuned. There's three things that you need in order to do this installation, which can be done all by yourself. Number one, you need to order your products from Ion Faucet. I'm going to be doing the Ion Faucet number 6 today, so you'll get to see exactly what that looks like. Number two, you need to drill a hole in your countertops. Now, sometimes you have a soap dispenser, maybe an extra pull-out cord that's already there. You can remove those so that the hole is exposed, or you're going to have to get a hole drilled. If it's through granite countertops, you definitely want to make sure that you've got a special person coming in to do that. Normally, I've got a guy that does it for about $100. The hole can be anywhere from 1/2 inch to 1 3/8 inch. That will also be found inside your installation manual. And then number three, you want your SD501, or today we're going to be installing the K8. We're going to show you how you put all three of those things together for a really sharp installation look. Here's what comes in the box from Ion Faucet, and this is the number 6. This is going to be the installation hose, your T-line. So basically what happens is you put this, the cold water that usually comes to your faucet, you're going to put this as a T. You're going to attach this onto it, and you're going to have it come on right to the bottom. I'm not going to show you the entire installation. I'm just going to show you a few things along the way. This manual does an excellent job of walking you step by step through everything. So you definitely want to check that out and just follow the steps as they've been laid out. This is 100% able to do it yourself if you've got a few basic tools and you're a little bit handy. Or you can get a plumber in probably for about an hour to an hour and a half job maximum. As you can see, I'm just about finished. And in order for me to attach this on here, a little trick for you guys is you want to run this under really hot water so it starts to soften a little bit and it will easily attach. This is definitely my favorite installation option. So you can just turn the water on. You've got Kangen Water. Get rid of all the hoses that the standard installation will do right here. You're off to the side, filling up a big glass. I like this Ion Faucet number 6 because I like the way the K8 acid hose looks, so it can just pour right in. You can get an option to replace this so that there's actually 2 hoses here. It's the Ion Faucet number 5. So a couple summary points. As you can see, the installation looks great. And the technology is designed to sit on top of the counter because whenever it's turned off, there's always a little bit of an outflow that comes through the acid hose. So the gravity fed system on this makes it very easy. You can install the system underneath the counter. Here's what that looks like. As you can see, the Kangen system is installed underneath. We have a beautiful Ion Faucet on top. The one important thing you need to understand if you decide to install it this way, the Kangen Water machine is no longer covered under warranty because the system is not designed to go underneath the counter. It's designed to sit on top of the counter. So if you're going to install the Ion Faucet, which I have many clients that have been very happy installing it underneath, just be aware that it's not designed to do this. To have some maintenance tips around it, you want to make sure that you run the water for 3, 4, 5 seconds, getting rid of all the water that hasn't been able to go through the acid hose and the gravity fed that will be sitting in the system. This gets it all flushed out. Couple summary ideas here. After being underneath the counter and wiggling around under there, I realized it's a little bit more challenging than your average person probably wants to do. So hiring a plumber to come in and do it. If you don't mind getting on your back and having your hands in difficult to reach places and using a few tools, then for sure you can install this system yourself. I think it's absolutely the way to go, especially if you own your own place, because you get rid of all of those hoses and adapters that all sit right here at the faucet head. You go with a super clean look. So for the most cosmetic and the most practical use in the kitchen, I would recommend going with one of the Ion Faucet installation packages. On the Ion Faucet website, you can see by scrolling down, they've got access to pre-filters, the Ion faucets themselves, and some additional accessories
I would recommend for 80% of my clients, especially those living in the United States, to fill out this free water quality analysis. You'll put in your postal code and be able to get, within about 48 hours, an email from the company with their recommendation of pre-filters. The pre-filters can be installed underneath the counter and be attached to these nice ion faucets. So that's just an extra for about $250. You can have a pre-filter that will take care of the contaminants that are found in most municipalities' drinking water. You can check out all the pre-filters right here. And then you can also connect it to one of the faucets. And if you're looking for something to install with a pull-out faucet, here is great inline diverters. They come in different sizes, so you want to make sure you check those out. All in all, some really wonderful things to be found on ionfaucet.com. I will leave a link in the description of this video for Ion Faucet.
So friends, I hope this video has been helpful and it allows you to see a great way to install your Kangen Water machine. So wishing you the greatest health, wealth, and freedom. Cheers.
Thanks for watching. My name is Kreel Hutchinson. I help entrepreneurs create success faster. If you like this content, then you're going to love these 2 videos I picked out for you. To find out how you can create more health, wealth, and lifestyle freedom, subscribe to the channel and visit my website, kreelhutchinson.com, to learn more.